Okay, hop up. I got this for your fingers just in case you need it. You want to start stirring that very gently. Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. Rowan and I are making almond oat cookies. These are gluten-free. They're sugar-free because I'm using allulose. They're high in fiber with some great complex carbohydrates. Oh. Is it all melted?
Melted.
Okay. And I'm going to start with some allulose in this butter right here. Rowan's going to give it all a stir for me. And allulose is a non-caloric sweetener. It's plant-based. And just stir all that up. Thank you. And studies are coming out to show this is actually very beneficial for you, gut health.
No,
I know, you can mix it all up. It's good for your mitochondria.
no, I will pull it here.
Okay.
Penguin.
Can I go like this? Scrape it all down. Okay. You remember how to do a pinch of salt?
Sure.
Yeah, just a little pinch. Remember how to do a pinch? Good job. That's about perfect.
Yeah.
Here, right there for you. He doesn't like things to be on his fingers. But if you stir this all up, and then, yeah, we need to crack an egg.
Crack an egg.
Okay, this can be really treacherous, so we'll see what happens. I think you can do it. We're gonna crack it in here first. So if you go gently, boom, watch your fingers. Choo, 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 choo. One more time. Ooh, you might have done it, buddy. Whoa, I think you did it. We just got we got a few shells in there, and that's easy to pick up with the eggshell.
Eggshell.
Yeah, the eggshell will pick up other eggshells. Mimi's trying to get it out of there. Because we don't want to waste an egg, because they are expensive. And I buy pasture-raised. I like pasture-raised eggs. Okay, Rowan, then we need a teaspoon of baking powder. And go, get that off, like that, good job. And then I need a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's gonna give it really good flavor. And then I need a teaspoon of vanilla. Perfect, and give that all a stir up. You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Pancakes.
He wanted to make pancakes. And that's our thing to make together, but this time we're branching out and making some healthy cookies. He's gonna be disappointed, but I think he'll like them. Almost, you gotta mix it all together. You're doing a great job.
Great job.
Great job. Now we need some almond flour. And I'm using a cup of almond flour. You can just pour that all in. Perfect, great job. And then the last thing I need here, well, before I add in my mix-ins, is a 1/4 cup of oats. Now I'm using steel cut, but you can use regular oats if you want to. You want to mix that in for me? Perfect. All right, stir it all together, because then we're gonna stir in some dried fruits and some nuts. Yeah. And the dried fruit I had on hand was goji berries. But I love golden raisins, if I can find those. I love apricots. Okay, keep stirring. Look how good it's coming together. Let's show. See how good that's coming together? And those steel cut oats are gonna give it a real nice, toothsome quality. Do you know what this is?
Quality.
Quality. What are those?
Quality.
It's a pecan.
Is it quality?
Quality pecans, okay. And do you know what these are?
What is?
They're goji berries. You ever tried one?
Goji.
Do you want to try one? No? They're very delicious and they're very nutritious and good for you. Yeah, let's get them all out. Want maybe to scrape them? I'll scrape them. Okay, stir it all up, buddy. Give it a good stir. And then we're gonna make some scoops and make some cookies. Go ahead, Gus, stir it up first. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In Rowan's tummy, tummy, tummy. You know how to scoop? Like this. Oh, watch your finger. I don't want you to pinch your finger on this. Go like that. And scoop a cookie. Ready?
I said, well, I get ice cream.
It is like an ice cream. Ready? Let's put it right here. Whoa!
Like pancakes.
They're kind of like pancakes, but not pancakes. They're cookies.
They're pancakes.
Do you like cookies? It's a risky question. You want to try one?
One. Now
Yeah.
make pancakes.
Now make
Make pancakes.
These will go into the 350 oven for about 12 minutes. Can you say 12 minutes?
12 minutes.
12 minutes. We'll see you soon, cookies.
So cookies.
See you soon, cookies. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We really appreciate it, and it helps out our channel. Thanks so much.
Make pancakes. Make pancakes.
This is hot, so be careful. But let's show what our cookies look like. Hang on one second. Ooh, they look so good. Look at our cookies. Okay, good job. Right there? Okay, can you get another one? You scrape them. Good. Nice.
Chef.
Chef, yes, Chef Rowan. Thank you, Chef Rowan. I'll put these out of the way for you. We've got two more. Boop. Cool. One more. Is there place for it on your cookie rack? Your baking rack? Good job. He's excited to wash dishes again. Do you want to try a bite with me?
No.
Can Mimi try a bite?
Dad, wash the dishes.
He wants to wash the dishes, but look at these cookies. They look so delicious, and I'll take a little bite for you.
No.
I'm just eating a bite. Okay, really yummy. Poppy's gonna love them. Can Poppy eat these?
No.
And this
Wash-
recipe is on
Wash Mommy's
tkfoodie.com.
phone.
Okay, he wants to go back to washing dishes. I'm gonna let him. All right, buddy. Thank you.
Dad, wash the dishes.
There you go.
Dad.
Yay! Yay, wash dishes.
Dishes.